2020 Dodge Durango front brake replacement. Here are the tools needed: a hammer, flathead screwdriver, and the electric tool is not really needed. The links for everything will be in the comment section below. So I'll start by compressing the caliper right there with my screwdriver, and I'm gonna use a small one to take the cap off of the screw that hold the caliper in place. Those are X bolt. They are 11 millimeter. It's not, the electric tool is not needed. You can use a regular 3/8 ratchet, but since I have the electric, it may be like a lot easier. I'll put the link in the comment section as well for this. Now let's take the anti-vibration clip. So it's off. Use a screwdriver. Make sure you have a new one on the new brakes pad, on your new brakes. And I'm gonna put my caliper up there so I can compress it. You can either use put the caliper in there, not the caliper, put the both brake pad. You can use a C-clamp like this, or a regular caliper compressing tool. Either one works, that's fine. You can substitute one for the other. Use the old brake pad. Then I use my E20 E-Torx to remove it. Those bolts right there for the caliper bracket. I'll put the link in the comment section below also as well. It's two of them. They're not that tight, by the way, so that's why I was able to do with the 2-8 ratchet. It's all done. Now you put your caliper with the bungee cord like this. Take my old brake holder and clean it up real good with the wire brush like this. You know, doesn't have to be perfect, but it works. And now you clean the new holder. Take the rust protection with brake cleaner on both sides, and use wire brush like this. Clean the meeting surfaces where the pad goes and grease them. It's a very easy brake job, very easy. Use the brake pad a little bit so they move freely. Just put the front pad first, and the other one will go in the caliper itself. You won't be able to go in without doing that. You put it in, put the caliper in place, and you tie those bolts down. Those are 11 millimeter once again. Put your cap on. There it is. And you turn your brake a little bit to make sure it doesn't drag. Put your clip in. What you do, you put the two top part first and you push the middle one in. You can use the screwdriver, it helps. But those are very tight because they're brand new. Push it in, take the old lug nut out, and that's it, guys. You clean it again, take the dirt off of it, and pump your brake pedal before test drive.